it is time for the last beach adventure for today, 21st of April 2025. It is 6:52 p.m. and there will be sun for 1.5 more hours approximately, or actually daylight. The sunset is somewhere around 8 p.m. And I have been chilling today on this beach, Platja de Marjal. I was on the end of the beach. It was more scenic, but inside the water it was very hard to swim. So now I am on the other end, and here there are lots of seaweed that have been gone to the shore, but there is a lot more sandy part in the middle. But I just decided to do it here as it was a bit more peaceful, as I am all alone right here, and it looked like it's nice in the water here, so we're gonna check it out. This is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I am traveling around the world and exploring different beach locations. And currently I am for 15 days in Mallorca, staying at Sandwich Calabona seafront. That is around 2 kilometers away from this spot over here. As there is no beach at the hotel, or actually there is one, but it's mainly with this type of seaweed, and it's basically impossible to get into the water, so it's very, how to say, not clean. um, so I am forced to walk to the nearby beaches, which is not that bad actually. There is an even better beach on the southern part from the hotel, that is Cala Milor, where I was 2 days in a row. So today I decided to test something different. Will I be coming back here? I don't know. There was one smaller beach on that front that has no name, but I just called it Port Vale because it's in that village, and it was more beautiful in the water. Uh, Even though it was also that as long as you go in, it was only sand very until your hips maybe, and after that it was continuing with rocks. Uh, so Cala Milor is probably the best beach here in this area where I'm staying. So yes, day 3 today is actually a red day, as it is White Monday or something like that, Easter, second day of Easter, and a holiday in many countries around the world. So then let's get going and have the last swim in the sea for today, so I can get back home and eat a salad, and I also have a pizza that I have bought, but I need to cook it. It's very easy. I have microwave. I have also a stove, but that won't work for the pizza, so I will be doing it in the microwave. Um, and yeah, this is how the beach looks like. So the scenery is quite nice around it, except this part over here, which we're gonna just neglect it and not look at it. So Mediterranean Sea, that is here, that Mallorca is on from all of the sides of the island. And it seems like they have been doing some changes here, as I think this larger sand was added here by people. It's not from the sea. And here we have some very, very heavy sand, wet sand. So it seems like this has been made differently from its natural form, that is. So yeah, it is very hard sand, this one. This also looks like it has been added. I'm assuming because there are rocks otherwise here. Let's see what is after there. The descent continues. I'm still going. The water has a different color, but it feels like it's still sand, type of a quicksand, but you're not basically going through all the way in. So it is sand, but very thick, wet sand. So yeah, then let's then get going with a swim here at Platja de Marjal on this 21st of April. Let's go! It smells very strange. I don't know why. Maybe a bit too salty. But yeah, the bottom is not the best. It's not real sand as I'm used to. But it was a nice swim in the sea. The water looks clean though, even though it smells a bit differently. I guess it's from the seaweed that's on the shore. But other than that, looks quite okay. There were lots of people swimming here earlier. And yeah, I can see here all the way to Calabona and Calamilor on the coast. And that means that it's a wrap for this episode from Platja de Marjal on the east coast of Mallorca. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Make sure to tune in for more beach adventures here on my channel that is called what? Beach Adventures with Chris!